Please like and subscribe. Reading time. Second, person, pronouns. Now let's hear from Faith.
You, your, yours, yourself, yourselves.
Read again, Faith.
You, your, yours, yourself, yourselves.
You, your, yours, yourself, yourselves. Again.